Welcome to my channel based strong motivation. Today I speak faith and God 2024. I know and I people and money don't make you happy. It helps you through a lot of situations. Money takes all emergencies and turns them into a mere embarrasses. What money does really other than that it's a lot to come with desire to make more God successful. You got to ask and dreams because ask God for it. Scripture not it's listen to me. If you up you rest and change your God for lives to you. It's scripture that's available rich people. Do you know if you had successful you know how many people would not be successful? Men in America and neither one of them of any kind, but they have more desire and you don't need an education and successful. I don't flunk what God and has for education. People got 2 degrees. Another one of you go get another. That's crazy to me.